A lot of iPhone users are reporting that search function in the calendar app not working. They get no events, whatever they search. Here I will show how to fix this. For the next method, go on settings, click on Apple ID, then scroll down, then go on iCloud. Then after that, click on show all, scroll down and go on calendar, turn it on and off. For the next step, you have to force restart your iPhone by clicking on the power button until it turns off and then turning it on. If you have a newer generation iPhone, then quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have an older generation iPhone, like for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the sleep wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. One more method you can add in your calendar if your calendar search is not working is you have to sync all your methods. For this, go on settings, scroll down and go on calendar. Here you can see sync should be on all events and should not be on other events here.
Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please support us by liking the video and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Do visit gossipfunda.com for more tips and tricks.